Hello friends, welcome back to yet amazing video. I hope you enjoy. We are going to prepare steamed cabbage. Right here I have some chopped cabbage which I have garnished it in a very colorful way, as you can see. This is grated carrots and also diced red bell peppers. So let us now get started. We shall also use ginger and our spring onions. We are going to use beef tallow for cooking. In case you want to know how to make beef tallow, we have 2 videos already on how to go about it. You'll find their links on the description down below, so make sure that you go watch them and enjoy. And also don't forget to make your own beef tallow. I'm going to use a generous amount. This is just so much amazing. In case you have never tried using beef tallow for your cooking, I don't know what you are waiting for. And in case you love such like healthy recipes and any other information to do with conscious lifestyle and healthy food recipes, this is your space. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications for more. We are going to melt this beef tallow. I think this is just quite enough. I'm now going to add our garlic paste. Let us cook it a bit. When it is just about to stick, we are now going to get our cabbage. Just look how colorful it is. I'm going to add our cabbage right here.
I be coaching like I'm Popovich, but when I ball I'm knocking shots and like Stojakovic. Yeah, I do it big every time, I don't know moderate.
After that, I'm going to try to massage it very slightly.
Don't get too comfortable. Remember times when I ain't having that my heart is blue. That I was running out of options, but another move. That you ain't figure how to stop me.
I will now mix it like so. Remember, we have not yet added our spring onions. They will come way afterwards. We want very nice, amazing steamed cabbage, so we ain't cooking them any much. I'm just going to cover them and let them cook for around 3 minutes. I'll also add our spring onions at this moment.
You change the subject, acting like it's nothing. Know you wanna talk, but something got you stuck in. Could it be the way that I walk, how I'm stunting? You don't gotta say.
We can now add our salt.
I ride, yeah, I run this. I ain't doing business for free. I need money. The type of things I like ain't cheap. I need funnies. The way that I be starting on beats is cool runnings.
So what we do with them at home, you know, we are used to when we sweep leaves like this, we burn them off. Instead of burning, pile them together this way, and then pour water on it. Not necessarily clean water, kitchen sink water, you know, laundry rinse water. Then after 2 weeks, this one turns from here. We turn it, it turns to this heap.
So it starts here.
It starts here.
Then to there.
Then to there. Continue pouring. After 2 weeks, this one, this heap moves from here, comes here. So this one we've just moved it. After another 2 weeks, this one moves from here to here. It comes here.
This is the final.
This is the final stage. So by the time it gets here, this is very good. Yeah, if you smell it, it smells like forest soil.
When I come around, they face it, they
At this stage is where you will find the fresh manure. First stage is right there. Vegetation materials are expected to dry here. They are then transferred to this other side and the other necessary materials are added, and this is the final manure. This setup is under construction and it is meant to obtain nutrients from the compost location whenever it rains. The nutrients will be obtained in form of liquids. can see them.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
The liquid is here.
Oh, it just spills.
So this is how it feels.
So this is NPK.
Yes, NPK.
Hii kind of farming inaitwaje?
It has a lot of names. Wengine wanasema vertical garden, square garden, pyramid garden, kitchen garden.
Wow. Kumbe yote ni hiyo.
Tower garden. Yeah, it's a good.
Na ziko fresh kabisa.
Your fertilizer is a spray on the leaves of plants.
I feel so damn happy, 'cause I would love to, yeah. I would love to,
So with these gardens, you find that you can imagine in a family and you have 4 or 5. The amount of food in this little space.
A lot of food.
You can even sell some to a neighbor.
Exactly. Kwanza hii yote mnamaliza ama mnauza?
Now,
Juu hamwezi maliza. Tena imechunwa. Naona mnachuna sana, so haiwezi kuchunwa. Hii kuchunwa si kukula tu. Our steamed cabbage is perfectly done. Can serve it. Here is our final bowl of amazing steamed cabbage. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on your notifications to always get updated whenever we upload any new video. Till next time, stay safe and bye bye guys.